So let's get the elephant out of the room. I failed. So legitimately, I have 10 to 11 days of working on this thing. I kind of lost track because it's been about 2 months since I've touched this thing. But I've had some unforeseen things show up, and I'm in the process of moving out of this space right now. So unfortunately, I'm still gonna try to finish it in 30 working days, but I couldn't do it consecutively. So I consider that a fail. But I am going to try to get this thing rocking very soon as I get it to its new place. It is going to a body shop where they are gonna finish and prep the whole outside of the car. It doesn't need much. I got a lot of it done. It just needs to get surface press, final sanding, and then it will get primered. They're gonna send it back to where it's going, and I'm going to paint it and put it together. The main thing I have to get done is painting the seats, because they are going to get upholstered, and I was supposed to paint and have these to the upholstery shop with the dash, the door panels, so it was done. And I want the interior done, so as soon as it's painted, the interior can go in and I can wire it because the motor's all set. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do tonight, is sand the seats. I'm gonna take the leather off the other seat and then get them ready to go out. Here's the first seat. I already got the skin off of it. It's already been painted, sanded. So all I'm gonna do is hit it with 400, wipe it down, and then this one will be done. Do the same thing, pull the leather off of the other one, do the sanding, prep it, tape it off, and then spray it. So let's start sanding. All right, so I got one done with all the taping done. We gotta put on, I just gotta sand the other one, take the leather off, and then we will be on to sealing these and then painting them, and then getting out of here for the night because it's getting cold in here. So I'm gonna crank the heat, get it warmed up for it to be painted, then take the leather off the other one, and then we're gonna get it going. So I'll leave the camera going while I'm taking the leather off, then I'm gonna come back when it's all sanded. Leather's off. We got these all sanded with 400. I also hit them with a red Scotch Brite pad, wipe them down. I'm gonna mix this up and then do one final wipe down and then get going. This is Nason Select Seal. It's a 1K sealer. Because it's inside the car, I'm really not gonna do a 2K sealer on it. This is just to even out everything because I did break through to the original gel coat. So I'm gonna hit it with this real quick and then paint them. We got it mixed. I'm gonna do one final wipe down with this, and then I'm gonna seal them. All right, well that's dry. I'm gonna mix a little color up, get it ready. So give me a couple seconds and then I'll show you the color. I love this sealer. It's actually pretty nice for 1K. I do like doing the dark red over the darker base. It gives it a deeper tone that I'm looking for. So I did a little testing beforehand, and this color with the red that I sprayed came out the color I wanted. So this will be the base on the car. I'm just gonna use a 2K when I do it. So let me mix that up and we'll get it in color and then we'll get out of here. All right, we got our red. So we're gonna spray it real quick. I'm running out of battery, so I gotta do this quick. Harbor Freight gun, nothing special. 15 minutes to dry. So let me give you a shot of the first coat. So I'm gonna give that 15 minutes to dry, then I'll come back to a final coat. Just give it a wet coat, and then let these things dry until after Christmas to drop them off to get reupholstered. So I'll come back when I'm ready to spray the last coat, and then I'll give you a final video of what they came out like. Second coat. I was gonna hit it one more time, but I didn't want to get greedy. I don't it up. I don't want to have to mix more paint. It came out sick. I'm gonna give you one last look at them, but I know it's been a while, but please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back on this project, plus my son's BMW, plus the Miata is running, and I'm doing a couple other cool things I'm gonna start posting. So like, comment, and subscribe, and look for my next video after Christmas. Thank you guys for watching. Not bad for it, not even wetting the floors. Again, stay tuned. I'll be back.